Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Today we're going to be talking about the NAVAC, the NTE11H, the hydraulic tube expander kit. It's really easy to use. I got this kit at the HR Expo. It's really fantastic. We've been using it here at Custom Cooling in Phoenix for some time, but I wanted to bring it to you today and show you how it works. The hydraulic expander, tube expander comes in this really hard plastic case. It's really well protected. It's a great looking kit. When you snap open the top, on the inside is going to be a tube reamer. Now you want to make sure that your copper pipe, after you make a cut, is completely reamed out. There's no burrs in it, and it'll really help make the expander actually fit easier into the pipe and give you a clean swedge. The kit itself comes as shown. You can see right here there's some individual swedge pieces. Comes with a tubing cutter, your hydraulic handle, the device that actually creates it. And then on the inside of the pipe right here, or not a pipe, but on the fittings, there's actually the markings for the pipe sizes, and so it makes it really easy to use. In this case, we're going to do some 3/8 copper. This is some copper out of my personal collection. You're going to go ahead and ream out the inside of the pipe. I like wearing gloves. I've been using gloves for a while. I'm pretty old school, so it was hard for me to switch over to gloves, but now that I've been using gloves, I really like it a lot. And you can see here now we're completely cleaned out. Now we're going to take the hydraulic tool. You're going to want to make sure that the handle right here is all the way back. You're ready to go. And that you pick the right one. Now this one is the 3/8 fitting. We'll go ahead and put it on the inside. Now the swedge piece, when it screws on, has got a little bit of grease on it, and that's good. That keeps everything rust free. The reason for it taking and deburring it is so it'll fit in there perfectly, and you're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and pull the handle. I'll try to get this up close to you so you can see it actually making the swedge. Very easy. You can see it making the swedge right there. When it's done making the swedge, it'll stop. You won't, that's it. I can't go anymore. So now that I can't go anymore, I'll turn the handle forward and release the hydraulics, and it automatically releases the piece of copper, and you can see right there, you've got a perfect swedge, and you're ready to go. Very easy to do, very easy to use. It's really a fantastic tool, and you can see it right there, and it was easy, very easy. So it makes a really nice piece. Now, we'll go ahead and cut this piece off. What's nice about the kit is it comes with a really nice NAVAC tubing cutter. So we'll go ahead and cut this piece off right here. You know, I'm old school. I like doing stuff the old way. I like using tubing cutters, something about it. And the tubing cutter from NAVAC is really a fantastic tool cutter. Really like it a lot. But look how nice that swedge came out. Look how nice it came out, how clean it came out. We're going to go ahead and cut another one just the same. Here's a tubing reamer. We're going to go ahead and ream out that tubing. We're going to deburr it. Ready to go, I think. Let's fit it in the inside. Again, make sure the handle's all the way back. You're ready to go. I'm going to get that right up to the camera, so you guys can see it actually swedging that thing out. You ready? Go nice and slow. And when it's done, you won't be able to pull the handle back, and it'll stop. Done. Can't go anymore. Watch what happens when I release the hydraulics. Falls right out. Fell right out. So it works that easily. So we're going to go ahead and do a bigger one. We'll unscrew this all the way. We'll leave that 3/8 on the ground. That's the great thing about doing a live YouTube. You get the mistakes, and if you guys know from watching me for a long time, you know I just power right on through. I don't stop. I don't edit anything out. It's not the way I do it. So we're going to do some 7/8. Here's a piece of 7/8. This one will be a little bit more hard, a little more difficult because it's a little bit bigger. We're going to go ahead and ream this out. I think where it saves is a lot of guys don't see the value in it, and I'm pretty old school. I didn't really see the value in it. So we're going to find the 7/8 piece. That's the 3/8. Here's your 7/8. So you sometimes will want to pre-press it. There, fits perfectly. I've got it deburred enough. We're ready to go. A lot of us, you know, they're old school. We just like copper couplings. But you know what? There comes a cost to it, because every coupling, copper is expensive. If you can get the same job done with just a little bit of labor and get it done and not have to do a copper coupling and get a better flow, again, make sure this is back. You saw me turn the handle. We're going to put this on the inside. I'm going to get this ready to go. And I'm going to get it right up to the camera so you can see it. So I'm hoping you guys really like what you can see is what I'm doing here. That you'll go out. It's the NAVAC. I'll give you the part number again. And again, it'll stop. The handle will stop when I can't do it anymore, and it's all done. Done. That's it. We're going to go ahead and unscrew this, the hydraulics release. And look at that fitting. Beautiful. Beautiful. And when you go to braze that in, it's going to be a nice flow. The refrigerant will have nice flow. It'll work out great. Look at that. This is fantastic. Check it out. So it's really a wonderful kit. We really like it. I really like it. I really want to thank the guys at NAVAC. So you can see everything comes apart really easy. Not that difficult to use. Got a beautiful case to it. Looks fantastic. Ships well. You know, inside your van. We'll put everything back to the way it was so you can see the front. You put it all back together. You close the lid. Make sure that I'm not... What am I missing here? Had the tubing cutter up a little too high. And everything's ready to go. Now, again, this is the NAVAC, the NTE 11H. It's a hydraulic tube expander. Very, very easy to use. Really a terrific tool, and I think you'll really like it. You can check it out at NAVAC. You can even go on TrueTechTools.com, and if you want to order your tools on TrueTechTools.com, make sure you look up NAVAC, and at the checkout, use HVAC Guy. That's the promo code, HVAC Guy, and you'll get 8% off the entire order. Now, some tools don't qualify because they have their own promo code, but at checkout, the guys will make sure that you're getting the right tool and that you use my promo code, HVAC Guy, to get that 8% discount. So as always, work safe, be safe. Check out the NAVAC NTE 11H. I think you'll love it. Until next time, work safe, be good humans, and we'll see you next time.